Hi, good morning, grade 8 students. Let's continue the topic degrees of comparison. Today we can go with the concept of adjectives of more than two syllables, and many of those with two form the comparative by using the adverb more than with positive, and superlative by using adverb most with the positive. So here when we have more syllables in a particular word, like splendid, beautiful, difficult, proper. See, splendid, more than one, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful, three syllables there. So when we have these more syllables, then we can go with the words comparative with more and superlative with most. Okay, see the words here: splendid, more splendid, most splendid; beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful; difficult, more difficult, most difficult; proper, more proper, most proper; important, more important, most important. And like this the words follows. Okay, just go through the words given here: learned, industrious, popular, populous, all these words. And now come to the topic of irregular comparison. We are well versed with these all the above: sweet, sweeter, sweetest, or brave, braver, bravest, or happy, happier, happiest, or hot, hotter, hottest, and now this more and most. But irregular comparisons are there. Means if we take the positive adjectives like good, well, and its comparative will be better, and superlative will be best; bad, evil, ill; worse and worst; little, if it is your positive word is little, and the remaining two degrees: less, lesser, least; much, more, most; many, more, most; far, farther, farthest; for, former, foremost; in, inner, inmost, innermost; out, outer; utmost, uppermost; late, later, latest, last. So these things we have to go through. Once again, go with all the tables what we have discussed today about more than two syllable words or two, and irregular comparisons. And now we can discuss about phrases as adjectives, how phrases will come as adjectives. Most people know what an adjective is, but when it comes to describing an adjective phrase, it's easy to get confused, isn't it? An adjective phrase or an adjective phrase or adjectival phrase is more than a group of words with an adjective in it. Nothing more than that. A group of words adding to it, like actually a group of words that describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence, thus functioning as an adjective. Here we can go ahead with the good news is you don't have to be a grammar buff to understand what an adjective phrase or else how it works. In fact, we use these phrases all the time without even thinking or without knowing also. Let's talk a closer look. Basing on the examples we can understand better, like Monica is a sweet, intelligent, beautiful girl. She had the most silky, smooth and radiant hair. So it's just a modification of an adjective. So in our workbook also it was given an adjective phrase has an adjective as the main word of the phrase along with other words. What are the other words here? Radiant we can take, or else the beautiful, what I have taken two examples. What radiant is the main adjective, silky, smooth and radiant, and a beautiful girl is beautiful is an adjective there. And what the other words we have taken, other adjectives, sweet, intelligent, so adding by it. Okay, so an adjectival phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective only. Okay, adding some words, saying that what kind, which ones, and this information will be given there. Okay, so you observe some of the examples of adjective phrases, then you can understand better. General adjective we can take: the beautiful house sits atop the hill. The beautiful house sits atop the hill. So now let us transform or change into adjective phrases. The house that is so beautiful sits atop the hill. So that is so is added to the adjective beautiful here. These two sentences mean the same thing. However, the former has an adjective while the latter has an adjective phrase. One more example, see. The angry dog barks all day long. That is general example, means general adjective taken here. And when we want to take the adverbial phrase, the dog that seems very angry barks all the day long. Isn't it? Again, the same sentences mean the same, but the first one is adjective while the latter one is adjective phrase. Okay, and last example I want to quote, then we can wind up this topic. Okay. The small kitten jumped at the big dog. That is adjective. And the next one phrase, if we take, the very cute small kitten jumped at the big dog. Now, hope you understood. Now, let us know the difference between adjective phrases or adjectival phrases. The difference is nothing but an adjective is a single describing word, like if you take blue, and an adjectival phrase is the describing phrase of more than one word, like dark blue. Okay, more than one word. Adjectival phrase, adjective phrase, single one. That's only the difference. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.